Well, hey guys, yesterday I did the bumper swaps in the Bronco, right? And videotaped it. I made a video and I uploaded it this morning, and it's blocked. It's blocked in all countries. It says copyright claim. I got like 3 copyright claims on this thing, and it's like, huh? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to re-upload it, but you see right there, blocked, copyright claims, all countries. Oops, I got Billy Idol singing in the background there. Hear it? Who's that? Yes? Cheap trick. You know, and it's not even that loud. I actually got the volume turned up on the computer just so you could hear it better. So I guess I'll have to do a re-upload and then edit the sound out. Alright, we'll try this again. Trying to cut back on the noise around here, get something done. Got some rain yesterday, so I've been putting things off, and today it looks perfect. So the idea here is to take the good parts off of this Bronco and put them on that Bronco and get rid of both of them. Okay? The reason why I'm taking the stuff off this one is because this one's been rolled over, and you know, I Frankensteined it back together myself. It runs and everything, but I wouldn't trust selling it to anybody in the condition that it's in. I mean, is it going to stay together? I don't know. So anyway, on top of that, I've been looking for some projects here, something I can make some money on. So figure I know about Broncos, Ford Rangers, Colorados. Let's see if I can find a Bronco out there for a reasonable price in good condition, turn around and sell it and make some money. So that's the idea of buying this one. I fixed a lot of little things on it. Has a nice deep blue color, but it is 24 years old, so it does have scratches and swirls, but the body is fairly straight. Now the hood, this might have been repainted at some time or something, but it's got cracks and it's fading. Same as on top. But I'm not too concerned with that. I'm working on the mechanical. Mechanically, it's got 205,000 miles on it, but everything looks good. It's got a slight oil leak I'm trying to take care of, but other than that, the fluids looked good. I mean, I went through the fluids, antifreeze, checked the transmission, just fixed the air conditioning. So now to get into the heavy stuff. I think first thing I'm going to do is take the winch bumper off of this. This is a worn winch mount and winch with a custom bumper I made some years ago. So I'm going to swap that out and put it on this one, and put this one on that one. So hopefully I can get something for this when it's done, because I'm running out of money here. So another thing is the lights, the racks. Somebody was asking if I'd part this one out. I go, no, I don't think so. It's even got new mirrors on it and everything since I rolled it over, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get it all back together. Now, the sooner the better. Because just looking at my bank account today, yeah, we're running low on funds here. Got money constantly going out, nothing coming in, so this is it. Got to cash in my chips here. So yeah, it's for sale. Well, made it in the nick of time as the sun's setting. Got the bumper mounted. I hope it's mounted straight. I really didn't pay attention to it. I just was rushing the clock here. Starting to cool off. Gotta run the cables up to the battery, but that should be the easy part, right? I guess it'll work. That thing's got to be a couple 100 pounds. So I'm wondering if this truck went up with all that weight off there, because now I might have an issue getting it back under this carport. I was barely squeaking by. Might have to let the air out of the tires. Dang it. That's what it is for today. I hate this time change, otherwise I'd still be out here till 8, another 3 hours, but oh, that's what's happening here. You want to buy this Bronco? Buy it as is. Buy it custom. Want something special done to it? I can do it. Just write the check. You can do whatever you want here. Or you want the other one. Same scenario there. That'd be a good beater right there, because that's been beat. This is the gentleman's version here.